Hello, everybody. Hello. I'm back, guys. I'm back again with another website, guys. In this website, guys, it's pretty simple, guys. You just test website, guys. It doesn't mean that you have to be an expert, guys. Okay, the name of the website is enrollapp.com, guys. Yo, shit. I'm spelling, guys. Yo, enroll, guys. Enroll app, and then it's like this, guys. See, take test anywhere, add it to your phone or tablet or VM, collect badges to show off to your friends and get compensation for each test convenient via PayPal, guys. It pays you by people. You know the people. I'm sure everybody has PayPal, guys. Okay, I'm gonna sign up with my my Google accounts, guys. Okay, let me pause here for a minute, guys. Okay, which one I'm gonna use? I like using this one. This one is for dummy exports. Okay, guys. Okay. Yes, say my name. Gonna name Coley. I'm say Steezy. Ask me if I'm right or something. Okay, no. Obviously, let's take this. Thank you so much. You are going to be great. Okay. Save my PayPal. Okay, my PayPal account. I'm gonna say this. You need to get paid, guys. Even you guys, you can save me money, guys. No, guys. Sometimes, yeah. Okay, it sounds like this. English, guys. Yeah. Speak English. I'm not a native English speaker. I'm sure by now you already know that. English. I'm gonna take an English. Here, I'm gonna go to. I'm from South Africa, guys. I'm South African, guys. Okay, guys. Uh, where's South Africa? Okay, South Africa, guys. Not South Sudan, South Africa. So let me pause and then like enter my numbers. Okay, guys, don't asking me. This will help us live a better test. Okay. Select country, please. Select country. Obviously, guys, as you know, I'm from South Africa. South Africa, guys. Obviously, no matter how is this even possible? Okay. Yeah. We don't go by state, they're called provinces here, okay? Don't know what I agreed to right there, but yeah, once again, they're male, obviously. Maybe for Christian purposes, and then, okay, I'm a fab child, year of birth. Yeah, what can I say? Okay, 24. Man, okay, let me just say 2001, yes. Okay, okay, let's short through this, agree. Right. Unemployed, and then afterwards it's gonna allow you to move, and then say 80%. Guys, we're almost done at this sense. Salary, how do you make money? Yeah, no, I'm unemployed, but like, okay, guys, gig stock, obviously. What is your yearly income? Let me just say $5,000, obviously. It's not much, I know, guys. At the end of the day, hobbies are just like, no, acting. How can I act? Let me just say soccer. Soccer. Maybe say football or reading. Even though I hate reading, guys. Just say something. Beginner. Just use a mobile, whatnot. Okay, finish registration. And done, guys. Whoa, that was long. This was the longest thing I ever did, guys. Okay, do you have? No. Okay, guys. Is you a recruiter? No. Okay, guys. These are the questions that you're gonna find, guys. I can't go and answer all these questions right now for you guys. Um. Okay, guys. Hope you have a nice day, guys. This video was long, guys, and tiring at the end. Plus my internet, I think, also, and also about this new website. Also, it was easy when making my other account, guys, because like I was putting in real details. Okay, guys, have a nice day, guys, and I hope, guys, hit the sub button, guys. Please hit the sub button for me, guys. Peace, guys. Enjoy your rest of your day.